Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another video. So, first and foremost, I want to thank everyone that joined us Sunday for the Great Switcheroo Part 3. It was so much fun, a huge success, and I sincerely thank you all from the bottom of my heart for joining. So, today I am going to be doing a swipe on this round that I got from LOLIVEFE. They sell different sizes. There is a discount code in the description. She is extremely reasonable with her wood rounds for the prices. They have a nice hollowed out back, which I'll show you in a second once I move the colors, but just want to let you know where I got that wood round from. So yeah, that's what we're pouring on. Now, what I do to prep my wood is I pour a coat of resin on it first, because I do a lot of resining for the paintings that I sell. So I just take a thin coat of resin and plop it over the top of the wood and let it cure. And then I pour right on top of it, and paintings dry perfectly fine. As a matter of fact, I've done many videos where I've done an acrylic pour, I've resined it, then I've done a resin pour on top of that, like a 3D painting. So it definitely works fine. So for colors, I'm using some of the new Jelly Bean colors. These are sold by COLOURARTE. I'm going to put my flash on and show you the beauty of them in a minute. I'm going to be using some of those, some interference colors, and for my cell activator, I'm using a blue-black indigo. So I'm hoping it's going to look nice. And with the interference colors, we will have some gold added into the painting, some violet, and some green. So people ask, what is an interference color? An interference color is just a straight mica powder. There's no color in it. And what it does is you can add it to your paints to make them a color shift paint, or you can use it on its own. So instead of me trying to explain this and botch it up on you, I'm going to show you at the end where the interference colors are and what they did. All right, so let's see these colors. So this first one is from the new Jelly Bean set from COLOURARTE. This is called Tropic Blue. So it's a really pretty teal with a violet color shift to it. So if you look at it one way, it looks like teal. If you look at it another way, it looks like it has hints of violet in it. Now that sparkle you are seeing is not glitter, that is mica, okay? So that's the first one, really beautiful color. The next one I'm using is called Juicy Pear, and this is a really pretty lime green. And it has a blue color shift. Now, the third primary element I'm using is not from the new set. It's from the one before that for Valentine's Day, which was called Be Still My Heart. This is called Nebula Star. It is really a pretty peacockish green, really dark, smoky looking. I love it. Okay. So those are the three primary elements I'm using. To go with those, I have two tube paints. This is teal. And this here is phthalo green. And you can use any brand. It doesn't matter. I'm using Try Art. But any brand tube paint that you want to do, but you should always add in, one or two at least. I feel it almost stabilizes the painting better. For my cell activator, I told you I'm using a blue-black indigo. That is also by Altier. It's hard to see it. And then the interference colors. So this one is violet. So it looks like it's white, but you can see It has a violet shift or tone to it. This here would be the green. And it's hard to see them now, but once I have them in the painting, you will see them. And then this one is gold. And these are called the Bling It Interference colors, and they are sold by COLOURARTE. I also have a description, coupon in the description for that product as well. So the painting is going to be very simple. I'm going to use some Walmart house paint. So white house paint from Walmart. That is a semi-gloss sheen. Right out of the can. Well, I put it into a smaller bucket, but no water or anything added. I'm going to pour a layer onto the canvas here. There's the back of the canvas. I tape cups to it just to prop it up a little bit because I don't want to put pins in my wood. So I'm going to put down the white, put down some colors. We're going to swipe and we're going to see what we get. I'm going for a minimal type swipe. If you want a full tutorial A to Z on how I mixed paints for this specific technique, the video will be in the description of this video. I will put a link that you can click on to go right to that video. So the way I like to do it is I will put down a few opaque colors, and then I'll put down my primary elements, and then on top of those my interference colors. It helps the interference colors really stand out at the end of the painting, and you will see that. Which, speaking of, I have a painting that I did with a very similar palette to this, and I have a video footage of that painting with resin on it, and I'm going to put it at the end of this video because it really shows how much using resin brings out these colors. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to see that painting. All right, so just a simple little swipe, center swipe. Now I'll put the camera on, flash on in a second so you can see those interference colors. Paint behaves very well. All right, here we go. This is when all the true beauty of the colors come out. Because I'm not there with you to show you in person, so this is the best way to do it. So remember, I added no violet into the painting, and you can see violet now. You can see gold. I'm sure in some areas you'll see green. And that's what they do. They just add a shifting property like that. Transparent violet you're seeing right there. That's what interference adds to your painting. Makes it two-tone. And once you resin it, it really, really pops. So as soon as it's dry, I will put a coat of KS resin on it and show you guys in an upcoming video. This area is really pretty here. That's going to look really pretty. Alrighty, my friends. I thank you for joining me again. All the coupon codes that I have to offer you for the products that I buy are down in the description below, along with a link to my Facebook group, United We Pour Fluid Art Group. You can hop over there and sign up if you're not a member. It's free. You make friends with a lot of people that like the same thing that you do. We have monthly contests. This month it's all about green. And it's just a great place to hang out when you're bored. Or if you need some help. You know, there's a lot of people in there willing to answer questions and help. Myself included, of course. As for the giveaway that I'm having on my channel, first week of April, that is this week. So I believe Saturday night, maybe is it the 3rd? I will do the live donor / sponsor giveaway for the 2 art boxes, and then the viewer giveaway also. So stay tuned. I'll release a video before then and give you more information, but I just wanted to let you know that March sponsor giveaway will be held Saturday, and I'll probably do a live and paint with you guys. All right, so until the next time, my friends, I love you all and happy pouring. Here is a painting I sold with a very similar palette. So this is what it looks like once there is resin on the surface, and you could just see how those interference colors come to life. I just wanted to show you this, but I will show you the actual painting that I made in this video in my next video.